So ayun na nga guys, pumunta tayo sa adventure rooms with our fellow brethren as part of our monthly Kadiwa activity. So this is a escape room, pa kung alam niyo yung Mystery Manila, ganun siya. And then afterwards, napadaan ako dito sa may perfume section ng Mayer, wherein you can sniff, test, even spray all the perfumes you want, which is a paradise for us frag heads. And then nakakita nga ako guys dito, it's the John Paul Gaultier Elixir Edition. It is a rare find guys. In fact, they only have 2 stocks left. But sadly, I have to pass kasi wala naman siya sa budget kahit anong convince ni ate na bibigyan daw niya tayo ng maraming decants until napabili na nga tayo guys. Sorry na marupok tayo. Tapos yun na biglang naging unboxing video tayo guys for today's video. So surprisingly, ang dami niya guys binigay na sa ating decants. May Paco Rabanne, Invictus, Phantom, Cobalt, ang dami guys. So overall masabi ko worth it naman guys yung pagpapabudol natin kay ate. So shout out sa iyo ate.